What's up, guys? Welcome back to Your House Fitness. My name is Jerry, and today I'll be teaching you how to do the Zercher Deadlift. It is a very advanced exercise, and I really don't recommend this exercise to anyone unless you are a strongman competitor or wrestler, because it has a very high risk-reward ratio, as you can easily get hurt doing this exercise. And even if you decide to do this exercise, make sure to start with a lower weight and get on the form first. Well, let's get into it. Normally, this exercise is performed with a barbell on the ground, but most people won't have that mobility to reach down, so I've implemented a platform for it. So first of all, you want your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider, and then squat down and grab the bar. Secure the bar like this so that the barbell is between your forearm and your biceps. And then from here, lock your hands like this to secure it, and then when you're ready, brace the core, lift, lower it down carefully, lift, extend your knees and back at the same time. Keep the bar close to you, and remember this exercise, if you do this exercise when the barbell is lower on the ground, it's very easy to arch your back, and some people actually do it that way, and that's why it's a very dangerous exercise. So I definitely do not recommend it for the typical gym goer. But nevertheless, this is how you do the Zercher deadlift, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.